Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another trailer we've got on the ground. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5x40 gooseneck trailer. This one has 32 feet of deck space plus an 8-foot neck, so it's a great size. White exterior. This one also has the 45-degree nose on it, so you guys can see it is compatible for short bed or long bed trucks. Also up here in the front, you've got two heavy-duty jacks for your landing gear ready to go, as well as a mounted matching spare tire in wheel. Side door does come with the RV lock and a cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Overhead gutter as well. 16-inch on center walls with this unit. 3 7,000-pound axles with brakes on all 6 wheels. You also have a 10-ply radial tire. These are 16-inch tires and wheels, and the aluminum wheels, so you guys can see that. Diamond plate fender as well. And coming to the back of the trailer, rear ramp door with a spring assist close. This is pretty easy to open and close this big, huge rear ramp door. I'm impressed by that. Cargo Craft also does a great job with all of their exterior running lights. You've got running lights all across the top and down the side. Here are a few different marker lights on the side. So nice for when you're running at night. Here's your big, huge rear ramp door. You also have a nice big fold out escape door. So if you guys are hauling cars or anything like that, that's a nice thing. You can pull your car in, open up that car door through that door and be able to get in and out. Plus it's cool to just kind of have an awning there. Painted interior floor in this unit. You also have a finished out ceiling with 2 overhead roof vents. And then it looks like 8 D-rings in the floor, kind of evenly spaced out. Also 2 rows of E-track in each of the walls, so plenty of tie down points in here. You also have 6 LED puck lights, which are these little guys right here. They do have toggle switches on them. These are super bright and efficient little lights. So you guys can have those on or off individually as well. And the biggest bonus about this trailer is it is insulated. So you have insulated walls and ceiling in here as well. So great multi-purpose trailer. 7'6" interior height as well, so you've got some extra interior height in here if you guys have bigger vehicles. This is going to be great for a couple of razors or a car and a razor or a couple cars, whatever you guys are hauling. And then of course with the insulation we do have that finished out ceiling as well. So you've got the white vinyl ceiling liner. Just come inside a little bit closer here for you guys. Here's a couple more sets of your D-ring. Interior step coming in and out of the side door, which is a really nice option as well. Back side of this RV lock gives you this piece. Your lock-a-latch and a set of keys. You do have a light switch right here that's going to turn on your puck lights. Another roof vent, which is kind of nice right here in front of the neck. So if you guys want to throw a mattress up there and make that a sleeping area, you do have some ventilation right there as well. Looks like you have about a 12,500-pound payload capacity, so you can haul quite a bit of weight in this unit. And Dexter axles underneath this trailer as well. So here it is. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. And if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We do have an amazing transporter that ships all over the country for us, so you guys can call and get a shipping quote. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check us out online, ColoradoTrailersInc.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.